Hi, thank you for purchasing the Pro Trainer soccer machine. At TK Sports Training, we want to ensure that you get the most out of this great machine in all your soccer training. So what we want to do in this video is go through setting up the Pro Trainer soccer machine, show you some basic drills, and get you on the road to improving players' first touch skills every day. Let's start by setting up the Pro Trainer for the first time. The Pro Trainer comes ready to go out of the box. Just transport it to your training location, whether it is indoors, outdoors, or even in the backyard. The Pro Trainer fits easily in any car. Choose a location for the machine, unfold the auto feed ramp, and load 5 soccer balls. Adjust the angle of the serving wheels to the type of ball you want to launch. Set the speed setting to determine the distance of the serve, and turn on the power. Before you begin training, you should always serve a few balls to make sure the ramp is adjusted to the ball correctly. The wing nut at the bottom of the ramp needs to be adjusted so that the center of the ball meets the center of the serving wheels. Adjust the wing nut down for larger balls and up for smaller balls. One thing we highly recommend when training with the Pro Trainer is that you use a consistent set of balls, all inflated to a good firm pressure. This ensures that each serve will be consistent to the area you're trying to hit. We've had good luck with the Big Toe Quest ball because it is lightweight, durable, and does not have a shiny vinyl cover that can be sticky. We sell this ball to our customers for a very reasonable price. Soccer balls are often sticky when they are brand new. They will roll on the auto feed ramp and serve more efficiently after they have been broken in a bit. A little scuffing makes them more reliable. The great thing about the Pro Trainer is that after you get it set up, it will serve a reliable ball to the same area time and time again. So when you are laying out your drills, pick the serving distance that is appropriate for the skill level of the players. When serving an air ball to U10 or U12 players, you really only need to go 10 to 15 yards. At the older ages, you can increase the serving distance as appropriate. Set up a small grid to indicate the service area, add a cone that players have to check from, and you have things set. Now adjust the serving angle for the type of ball you want. Flatter for rolling balls, a slight angle for driven balls, and steeper angles for air balls. Serve a few balls and see if the speed setting is adjusted correctly to get the ball served to your grid. Supposing you want to serve a long crossing ball from the corner into the box for finishing training. For this, we want to serve a ball that is between a driven and high air ball. Adjust the angle to about 30 degrees. Check the ball on the ramp to make sure it is meeting the wheels perfectly, and set the speed dial to 7 or 8. Serve a few balls to the target location and see what trajectory they take. If they have a big backspin, then you need to adjust the ramp down. If they have top spin, then adjust the ramp up slightly. Just a turn or two should be enough. You don't need to turn the speed dial up to 9 or 10 to get maximum distance. When working with larger numbers of players, you will want to incorporate passing, receiving, dribbling, and check runs in order to keep everyone moving and involved in the drill. You can set up a drill like this where you have the player receiving the ball, make a one-touch pass to a player checking to space from either the left or the right. That player then dribbles a few touches and then passes to another player who receives the ball and goes through a dribble cone course and returns the ball back to the Pro Trainer. Here is a sampling of drills to use with the Pro Trainer. It can, of course, be used in just about any drill where you need an efficient serve to train skills. The serving wheels will build up a layer of dirt over time, and this will reduce ball serving efficiency. We find that if you take a rag and put some solvent such as paint or lacquer thinner on it and rub the wheels down, the dirt will come right off and the wheels will return to as good as new. The machine should be stored in a clean, dry area. If you will not be using the machine for an extended period of time, it might be a good idea to disconnect the battery terminals. Other than that, there is not much in the way of required maintenance to keep your Pro Trainer running efficiently. After your training sessions, all you need to do is plug in the Pro Trainer overnight to recharge the onboard battery packs. When you plug the machine in, the charging light will come on to indicate that the charging cycle has begun. If you have purchased the optional external battery pack to extend your portable training sessions, you should always start with both the onboard battery and the external battery pack fully charged. The two batteries need to be used in parallel. That is, you should start your training sessions with the external battery plugged into the Pro Trainer right from the start. Do not wait until the onboard battery is running down to plug in the external battery. To use the AC power supply, simply plug it into an AC power source and then into the power plug on the front panel of the Pro Trainer. Make sure that the onboard battery is fully charged before you start using the AC power supply. The remote foot control is an effective way to control the timing of the ball service for many drills. To use the remote, plug the black tube into the port on the top of the control unit like this. Extend the pedal to the proper location and start the machine. Every time you step or squeeze the pedal, the gate wheel will stop or start. The serving wheels, however, will continue to spin, making sure that the next ball served will be sent with the proper velocity. We want to thank you for purchasing your Pro Trainer soccer machine, and we hope that it will be an effective and efficient tool in training your players' soccer skills. If you should ever have any questions, please call us and we will help you in any way we can.